Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra voicemail notifications won't go away. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your mobile. So to restart your mobile, swipe down and open quick settings panel and click on this power icon. Now here click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and turn on show system apps button. Now after turning on this button, click on OK and then go to the search bar and search phone services. Now from here open the phone services app and go to its storage, and from here clear the app data of phone services app. So to clear the app data, click on clear data and then click on delete to confirm, and after doing this go back to apps. Now in apps go to the search bar again and now search phone. Now from here open the phone app and go to its storage, and from here clear the app data and cache memory of phone app. So to clear the cache memory, click on clear cache, and to clear the app data, click on clear data and then click on delete to confirm. So after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings option here to reset your mobile settings. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.